Following complaints that some primary and high schools in Bengaluru were avoiding singing the national anthem during the morning assembly, Karnataka's Department of School Education and Literacy has issued an order making the national anthem compulsory. According to a department official, complaints were made to Education Minister B.C. Nagesh that certain private schools in Bengaluru are not complying with the standard protocol of singing the national anthem during morning assembly. Some schools are avoiding singing the national anthem and some are singing only twice a week, said the official. Citing the order of the Union Ministry of Home Affairs on the national anthem, the department has made it mandatory for schools to make students sing the national anthem to instill national pride and respect. Officials of the Deputy Director for Public Instruction have also been tasked with visiting the schools that are violating the rule. The order said that the students can sing the national anthem in their classrooms if there are constraints during the morning assembly.